inside both of them. Check it out. Wow, I love it. I so love it.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my...
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time zone where you are watching from. My name is Uju Emeka. If this is your first time of tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. Please don't hesitate to subscribe and to click on the notification button so you'll be the first person to get notified when I upload my new videos. And for those of you, my JV lovers, thank you for keeping up with me. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your beautiful comments. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. May God bless you all in Jesus' name. Amen. Summer, time. Yeah, my beautiful people, it is summer again. Everybody is so happy. The weather is popping. People are having the best time of their life. You know what I'm talking about. Those people that live in Europe, they know what I'm talking about. Due to our cold weather, when it is summer, we are really happy. We can dress up, go anywhere, have a nice time with friends and family. Yes, it is summer. We are not just only happy because of summer. We are also happy because when it is summer, we have this huge summer sales. You can check out H&M, Zara, or any other shops. They are doing this huge summer sales. Yeah, ladies, we love fashion, we love style, we love dressing up, we love showing up, and we have the summer sales now. So if you don't know, we have this huge summer 2021 sales. Go check out Zara. I got myself some nice stuff from Zara, and I will be doing the unboxing today. So keep up with me to see, maybe you might find something you like to go get for yourself, or maybe you already have it and you can use it to style yourself. Yeah, but today I'll be doing the unboxing. So keep up with me and see the beautiful stuff I got for myself from Zara. So my beautiful people, these are the things I got from Zara. I'll be doing the unboxing. Let me check. Yes, please don't mind the noise. The first thing that got my attention as I logged into Zara website was this handless blazers. I love the blazers because of the button. It has this silver button and the shoulder pads. Check it out. The blazer is beautiful. I love the shoulder pad, it's beautiful. And the actual price of the blazers was 60 euros and I got it for 30 euros. So if you like these blazers, I'll put the picture and go check it out. Maybe you might find it on Zara website. So go check it out. The second thing that got my attention was this 3/4 jeans trouser, 3/4, and it has this kind of 2 pockets at the side. I really love the color. The price was 30 euros, but I got it for half price. I think either 20 euros or 15. I can't really remember. But the jeans is beautiful. Due to the hot weather, we can't be jeans all the time. And yeah, so you might considering having something like this. So I also got some pair of body hugs. I love body hugs, and I love this pink body hug. So I don't have to tuck in because it's like a swimsuit. What I have to do is just put it on, and I will just put on my jeans or my skirt or my short, depending on what I'm using to style these beautiful pink body hugs. And I love the button. You can see it here, the button. The way they design the button at the front. The weather is hot and it is handless, so go check it out. I don't know if they have other colors, but this pink got my attention, and the actual price was, I think, 10 euros, but I got it for maybe 5 or 6 euros. So go check it out. One thing about me is that when I love fit and they have it in different colors, I don't mind getting like 2 or 3 or 4 colors of that same. And this was what happened with this body hug. I saw the body hug. I'm the type of person, I love body hugs. I love talking. I'm that kind of person. I talk in almost everything. I don't know the reason why. That's just how I style some of my clothes. So I saw this beautiful, gorgeous body hug. As you can see, it has button here. I love it, and they have it in different colors. So I decided to buy 3 of it. So as you can see, I have the blue, I have the yellow, and yellow is one of my favorite colors. I love yellow color. I think yellow color really suits me. And maybe if you have not seen my one of my videos, how to style Ankara or so. I'll put it on the description box. Go check it out, you love it. There was one yellow one, this one Ankara with yellow design that I wore. People really love the color on me, and yeah, I think yellow is one of my favorite color because yellow suits me very well. So these hugs I got for 16 euros. I think that was the actual price, I guess so, but I got them for half price, maybe like 8-9 euros. I can't really remember. So they are really beautiful and cute. Got the black. I can be crazy at times, but yeah, it is what it is. When I love something, when they have different colors, I don't mind getting like 5 same color of the outfit. So I got 3 of these body hugs. Yeah, I love them. Go check it out, and you might like it, or maybe you find something else you. I also got a 3/4 pants. Yeah, I love this cream pants. I love it due to the button. Just check the button out. I love the goat color. The goat color kind of pop the trouser out. As you can see, it is a 3/4 trouser. Put the picture of the model also on the screen, so you see how it looks, or maybe when I style it you will see. So like this trouser, I might want to style this trouser with a black top. Yep, I think black will come out really good on this 3/4 pants trouser, but I don't know if I will use this particular top because as you can see, this top has a button here. It has 3 buttons, and this trouser also have buttons, so the buttons might be too much for me, but I can use to style this particular pants. So just check out maybe my next video when I'm styling these clothes to find out the top I use to style the pants. Then I also got myself 2 pairs of slippers. You know, summer, it is very hot. You can't be, you know, putting on trainers all the time, or maybe even if you want to wear pumps or sandals, maybe if they are too high, because if you know me too, I wear really high pumps, like I think 10 centimeter. Is it centimeter? Yeah, 10 as a really high when I'm going out or going to the church. But in summer, you know, summer is casual. Maybe you want to meet up with friends, do some things, or you are on the road, park with the children. If you are not putting on trainers, you might want to put on something classy, simple. So I decided to get myself these 2 classy slippers. Bring it out so you can see. And I went for colors because I have white, I have black slippers, I have green slippers, you know. So I decided to go for pink slippers. And one thing about color blocking is that when you are dressing, you are under 3 colors, like white and black. These 2 colors are off colors, you know. So when you have white and black, you don't have to count it to your color, you know. So I took these pink slippers, and I am loving it. I am loving these pink slippers. Check it out. It is beautiful. This white is not. This white is just what they used to hold the slippers. This slippers is very simple. I put the picture below, so this is beautiful. This is how it looks. It is not high. You can rock the slippers to anywhere. The slippers is gorgeous. So I decided to get myself these pink slippers. I think the actual price was 40 euros, but I got it for I think 20 or 25 euros. So go check it out if you love the slippers. I got 42. My feet are really big. I wear 42. You know, so I got 42 for myself. Go check it out. You might like it. And I can combine the slippers with the jeans, with this 3/4 jeans. See, yep. So I might want to wear this outfit. That means this 3/4 jeans, this pink bodysuits, and these slippers. 3 of them will go together. Or I can also pair it with, yeah, I can also pair it with this. I think it will come out really nice. And the blue jeans, blue top, and the pink slippers. That is 2 colors. Or I might also want to pair these 2 together, but I don't know if it will come out. But since it is under 3 colors, so it will still go. Or I might want to pair this pink slippers with this handless shoulder pad shoulder pad blazers, armless blazers. I'm going to pair it with this slippers and maybe put on something like skirts or any other lovely outfit to combine it. So check my next video out where I will style this clothes so you see for yourself. And here I got myself I think this is a silver slippers. I don't have any slippers silver flat, so I decided to get myself this silver flat. I think it is kind of unique and simple, and it is casual. I can wear it anytime, any day this summer. Let me remove the paper so you can see the slippers. Wow, 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 this is gorgeous. They actually have the gold of the slippers, but I couldn't find my size 42 on the gold of this flat, so I decided to take this. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. I can't wait to style all this beautiful stuff I got from Zara, so you guys will see for yourself. This is beautiful. I love the slippers. I really, really love it. I can't wait to style both of them. Check it out. Wow, I love it. I so love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. Wow. And the price of a silver flat was actually 40 euros, but I got it for half price, or I think about 25 euros. So that is a go check Zara.de, Zara online. Go check them out. You might find something that you want to get for yourself. So this is my unboxing for today, my unboxing of summer 2021 Zara huge sales. I can't wait to show you how these things will look on me. I promise you, you will love it on me because I know what I do and I know how to style. If you have seen my other videos, you know what I'm talking about. So don't miss out on the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do, or click on the notification button so you'll be the first person to get notified when I upload my video on this Zara sales styling. Don't miss out, so you know how the things will look on me. So that is it for today. Thank you once more. Have a nice day. Bye bye.